Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this brand new Ninja DualBrew coffee maker. They just released this September 2021. Model number CFP201. So I'll be doing an unboxing, a setup, how to set it up before your first coffee, then I'll be doing a detailed review on how to brew your coffee. I also purchased the Ninja DualBrew Pro. This is a little bit different than this one. It's got a frother and costs $230. I'll be doing the exact same thing on it, unboxing, setup, and detailed review. And then I'm going to do a comparison between the two. So I don't think Ninja has released a new coffee maker in quite a while. This thing looks quite a bit different. And one of the main things I notice is it does K-cups. It comes in a big box with some really nice box art. Let's get it opened up. Okay, still got some nice box art. We open it up, got a nice packet here. I always recommend putting them on their sides and then pull them out onto the table. Okay, so the unit looks really nice. It's kind of big and kind of heavy. Now, one of the first things you want to remove is this plastic right here. This impedes the operation of this. Okay, so it comes with a manual, quick start guide, and some number 4 cone filters. And here's Miss Fiona. She likes to help. So there's the control board. A lot going on there. Now, the one thing I did notice, the carafe is nice and thick. That's a lot thicker glass than in their previous coffee makers. It's got a warming plate. It's got this big shelf that comes down. It's got this nice reservoir, removable, nice big handle to grab. I like that. Clear instructions. Now, the one thing that's really different is this up here. So there's this to remove. There's this, you've got to slide this. And then this whole, so there's the K-cup. I'll explain this more later, but there's where you put the K-cup. But if you slide this, you can take this whole thing out. And that looks like slide here for coffee grounds. So this is how you do coffee grounds. And you want to do, there's like a filter basket there. So it's a lot going on. Just a lot going on. We got our classic scoop on the side that Ninja likes to include. Around the back, no cord storage, 2-prong cord. Front to back's about almost 12 inches. Side to side's almost another 10 inches. So it's not very tall, 19 inches. So it looks like it will fit under a kitchen cabinet, just barely. Depending on, the kitchen cabinets are 19 inches, so, but getting the reservoir on and off shouldn't be a problem. It's this right here. The cord is 29 inches long. So here we have the bottom of the machine. We've got some of these rubber feet. It says it's 1,550 watts. CFP series 32, 120 volts, 60 hertz. And there's kind of the look of where the coffee and the K-cup stuff comes out. So it looks really nice. I do like the finish on it. These are buttons. There's a start brew. We've got open and close. That's that drip. So the coffee maker looks really nice. This is that open and close. There's the carafe. There's the carafe lid. It's plastic. It brews the coffee down to the bottom to help with mixing. It feels nice, but again, I like that it's nice and thicker. Okay, so we plug it in. Looks like it's got a nice LED clock. So this opens up here. I'm not sure why yet. Again, so lift to open. There's the K-cup needles. It's got 3 needles in the top, 1 needle in the bottom. And again, we got to move this to remove. You push that, and then I can remove this whole basket. Looks like that's for the K-cups. And then if I want to do, that's a number 4 cone filter. I can remove it, okay. That's a number 4 cone filter. I can probably use a reusable filter, but they do ship paper filters with it, so that's good. There's a look inside there. Huh. That's just like I'm not sure why this opens up. But this slides back and forth. I think there's a brew. So I think the water, when you push this over, the water is going to go through another brew head and saturate the coffee grounds. Sounds like there's some micro switches that have to be made. All right, so let's just play around with the display. It's got a power button, so you can turn it off. It displays the clock. Turn it on. This is like a selector. It's 9 different brew sizes. You can do the Ninjas. This is pretty typical of a Ninja. You can do a cup, a small cup, extra large cup, travel mug. You can do a quarter. You can do a quarter pot, half pot, or a full carafe of coffee. That's by this selector, and it's got these little icons. And each icon has 2 things underneath it. So there's the carafe, 46, yeah, so there's a lot going on here. Looks like it's got a clean light. It's got the brew style. It's got classic, rich, and over ice. It's got delay brew, so we can brew a pot of coffee in the morning. We can automatically set that. It's got keep warm. It will keep the carafe warm up to 4 hours, it says. And then this is just a big start button here. So the controls look intimidating, but they're pretty simple to get used to. That lights up according to so it won't drip. When you remove the carafe, you put this to close, and it'll stop the water from coming out the bottom so you can get your drink. This says it's on coffee, so I bet if I slide this, put this in, now the K-cup is showing. And then I can do 6 ounce, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, that's it. 6, 8, 10, 12. And I can still do, I can do all 3 brews. Comes with a pretty nice book. This is something I've not seen before. High altitude calibration brew. I'll have to go over that. Priming it, so we'll do that in the setup, how you're supposed to prime the pumps. Lots of charts for doing different brews. So it's a pretty good manual. I'll put a link to this one in the show description notes. I am an Amazon affiliate. If you click on the link, I get a little bit of money from the clicks, but the products don't cost you anymore. I buy all my own products with my own money, so this is a way of supporting my channel. Really appreciate everybody's support. Got any questions on this? Leave in the comments down below. And I'll be doing a priming the pumps, a setup on this, and then I'm going to be doing a detailed video. We're going to make iced coffee. We'll make a whole full pot of coffee. We'll make a cup of coffee. Thanks everybody for watching. If you could, please like and subscribe.